What are the benefits of a Rinnai Tankless water heater? They offer energy efficiency, continuous hot water, space savings, and lower utility bills. Are Rinnai Tankless water heaters energy efficient? Yes. They only heat water when needed, reducing energy consumption and eliminating standby losses. Can a Rinnai Tankless water heater be installed outdoors? Yes. Outdoor models are designed to withstand the elements and save indoor space. How much does it cost to install? A Rinnai Tankless water heater. Installation costs range from $500 to $2,000, depending on complexity and local labor rates. Do Rinnai Tankless water heaters require maintenance? Yes, regular flushing and inspections are necessary to maintain efficiency and longevity.